The ICC series is a workshop series for international students to help them become more competitive in the American internship or job search process.
It is always good to start early. I would recommend for all international incoming students to go to the ICC workshops during their first year itself if they get a chance. If you plan beforehand, you will be ahead of all your peers and you will ahead of the game. You get to know a lot of things which you might not originally know from whatever background you come from internationally. Things like the elevator speech, how to use LinkedIn effectively, things like the cultural differences we have in different countries and what is actually looked upon as encouraging and a go-getter attitude, and all these things you will get to know, and it will help you meet people from other cultures, and that will make your life more interesting, and it will help you to start your job search, your internship search early. So join ICC.
So the International Student Career Certificate series, or as we like to call it, the ICC series, is a 7-part workshop series designed for international students who are looking to find an internship or a job in the US. So the workshops include topics such as resume writing, cover letters, how to self-market oneself, how to use LinkedIn, interviewing, and others. Right now the numbers say about 10% of international students actually get internships or are hired after they've graduated.
I definitely recommend the ICC program. What I learned from ICC, like how to write a resume, how to get a social network, and how to use my elevator speech to help me find the ideal job.
In today's competitive world, it has become very important to network and to know the right people, because there are so many students, so many people who are equally as good as you, and at the end, if they have to hire somebody, on what basis will they hire? A lot of times these things are we international students don't know about it. Say back in India, in most of our colleges, unlike here where we have a career fair, we have placement cells in which companies actually come and interview you on campus. That doesn't happen here. Here it's the other way around. You have to go and meet people and get yourself known to get hired.
Please join us.